Welcome to the Easy Tech News and Fix It channel, and we're going to talk about PC specs or statistics or stats that you could see when you purchase a computer, and have a little discussion on how it's not as easy as you might think to know if a computer is a good performance computer or not. One of the biggest problems with the numbers is that numbers hide sometimes some unknown effects and unknown, manufacturers don't tell you the straight dub. They don't tell you everything. So, for example, one processor running at 3 gigahertz might be slower than actually another one that's running at half its speed. And you might think, how can that be? Well, it depends on its architecture. It depends on its generation. It depends on a lot of factors. And this, unfortunately, manufacturers don't really want you to know much about. They will tend to actually hide the fact that this PC is actually crappy in performance versus another, but will embellish or make it seem like it's nice with all sorts of numbers that often don't mean that much. This is something that is unfortunately where the consumer is lost and always lost. It's not really knowing if one PC with specifics are better than another PC with specifics that seem higher, the numbers look higher. It will use all sorts of weird words to try to make you think it's much better and faster than another one. It's just not like that. Usually, one of the aspects of a faster PC is often the price you'll pay, because what happens is the more expensive a computer is, the more advanced its hardware will be inside. And often price and performance often go hand in hand. But there are tricks, once again, and there are some effects where some PCs that are more expensive might not be as fast or as good as another one. So this is something that you've got to be careful. And the reason I have this video now is I'll be doing a little series on this channel where we're going to look at specifications and different processors and different hardware, and kind of try to help you understand which one tends to be faster and for what reason. Because manufacturers, unfortunately, are not helpful with all the specifics and the details when you buy a computer or even a tablet device. It can be very, very problematic in choosing right. And, there's also the other side. Sometimes a laptop or a computer might be very powerful, but lack in resource. So you might have a top-of-the-line PC with a lot of power, but not enough RAM memory. Well, that's going to slow it down. Stuff like that happens all the time, unfortunately. So we're going to try to help you out here in understanding more of the specifications of devices. And maybe, thanks to some of the videos here, you'll make a better choice and have a better computer next time you actually purchase one. And we're, of course, going to try to go into the tablets also and look at some of the tablets on the market and try to explain why one might be faster or better than another. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.